my favorite way to stand out in the crowd of college applications is the essay and your response to essay prompts. I'm telling you, this is the way to stand out. There are parts of the college application that you may be able to state what you did or check a box, but the essay is where you get to explain the story behind it. Your essay responses cannot be robotic. They cannot be full of big words because you're trying to impress. They cannot be something that you're thinking they want to hear in terms of, this is going to make me look like the best student in the world. They're looking for who you are. They're looking for the person behind the grades. They're looking for the person behind the job. They're looking for the person behind the community service, okay? They're looking, of course, to see how you write, but how you write about yourself. The essay is your opportunity to brag about yourself. Again, just like your letters of recommendation, you don't want to come off as perfect. You don't want to seem like the perfect person or student. It's okay in your essays to say, guess what? I completely failed at this. I did not do my best at this. But it's your opportunity to show how you overcame that, how you did better. It's a way to explain away, you getting a D in a class. I got a D in a class because of this. I wasn't dedicated. I wasn't doing my work. I decided that I knew this. I decided I didn't feel like doing this. I was working a job. I was helping to support my family financially. Whatever it is, you can explain that in an essay. And the essay the essay prompt doesn't have to say, hey, explain a time when you didn't achieve the way you wanted to, but you overcame. No. Use the essay prompt for an opportunity to insert that type of information.